If your liver could talk, it would probably be asking for help right now. Because fatty liver doesn't happen overnight. It builds slowly through the food you eat every day. Too much sugar, too many processed foods, too many "I'll start tomorrow" moments. And the worst part? Most people don't feel anything until the damage is already serious. But here's the part most people miss. Your liver is one of the few organs that can actually repair itself, if you give it the right support. And it doesn't start with something complicated. It starts with simple, everyday foods, like fruits. Here are 7 fruits that can help support your liver naturally. And one of them, it's often avoided for the wrong reason. Let's start with blueberries. These small fruits are loaded with antioxidants that help protect your liver cells from damage. They fight inflammation, which plays a major role in fatty liver. Think of them as a daily shield for your liver. Next, grapefruit. Grapefruit contains natural compounds that help your liver burn fat more efficiently. It also supports detoxification, helping your body clear out what it doesn't need. Then apples. Simple, common, easy to find, but powerful. Apples are rich in fiber that helps remove toxins and excess fat from your body, making your liver's job a lot easier. Now here's where most people get it wrong: avocados. Yes, they're high in fat, but avoiding them might actually be a mistake. The healthy fats in avocados help reduce inflammation and prevent more fat from building up in the liver. Not all fats are harmful, some are necessary for healing. Next, lemons. They help activate liver enzymes and support your body's natural detox process. Even a small habit like adding lemon to your water can support your liver over time. Then papaya. Often overlooked but very effective. Papaya helps improve digestion and reduces fat buildup in the liver. It's especially helpful if your diet has been heavy or processed. And finally, bananas. They support overall liver function and provide steady, clean energy for your body. Simple, affordable, and easy to include daily. But let's be clear, no single fruit will fix fatty liver overnight. Real change comes from small, consistent choices. Add these fruits into your routine, stay mindful of what you eat, and give your liver the support it needs. Follow for more simple, natural ways to take care of your body.